Hello people, this is Nopes TV once again. I'm telling Rwandan people how they can fix call ended issue in case they meet with it or in case they have met with it. There are many causes that may hinder, that may refer, that may tend to call ended whenever you call a person. Whenever you call someone, there are many causes that may have had to cause call ended issue. So today we are going to see different techniques. And of course, this is a code I'm providing that you can use to solve this call-ended issue. Use a 31. This is the code. 31 like that. Then you get a pop-up notification or a pop-up simply telling you that your outgoing call has been disabled. So now you are done with the problem. You are done with the issue. Like, share, subscribe our channel, please. Remember to leave a comment.